Hey guys, Jazzling Tells for here, and if I alright guys. I have made 3 things that are going to be in this new series called The Adventure Continues. So I have a red Percy. This will be an OC in my other series, the Tales of Sodor, but I'm going to use it as GWR Percy. I was going to paint it green, but I don't have any green paint, so I painted red. Yeah, so I was handing off the paint that was on here, and I painted red, and you guys can barely tell, but I used black marker to write the cab thing, the cab door, 1350 and GWR on them. So yeah, I didn't do the wheels because if I did the wheels, it'll be much wobbly. So yeah. Then here we have is something that was a pain to do. It's the flip truck from, I think it's from one of the Arthur sets, I think. I can't remember, but it usually goes, it hits a certain switch in one of the tracks and makes it flip as it's going along. Yeah. Yeah, this was a pain to do, due to the fact that every time I tried to do it, every time I unhinged it and tried to use a switch, or not a switch, but a coupling here, this part will get so tight that it could barely spin freely, like now. So I had to loosen some of the screws and change the coupling here so that it will fit. So now this will be an end of a train. This will be kind of like a caboose, only a coal version. So yeah. And then I have made a Lego old style Henry. This was kinda weird to do. And apparently the front here was apparently like this. It was like this in front. I had this underneath it. But I decided to remove that and have like this. Hi, Jason. And then I had the Mega Bloks Henry Tender right here. But I decided that did not look right due to the fact that that just reminded me of the television series Henry, which is basically just this Henry, only with minor changes. That's it. The slope here and this, and that's it. So I decided to make it out of Legos. I did not glue it together. You just have to have the right Legos. 2x4. or a 2x2. Here, for example. You need to have something like this. To anything that has one of these in the middle, at the bottom, will work. Guys, my grandma just made me some homemade watermelon juice. So yeah, so yeah, and then you need one of these at the bottom, or this. So yeah, I don't know. Yeah, so here's my Henry, and then here's the old style Henry I made, and that's about it. So yeah, bye.